How to change currency on OKX. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change your currency on OKX. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to sign into your OKX account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page where you would see different cryptocurrencies, right? Then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots and just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, the next step is to click on your email address. After doing that, you'll be brought to your user centers page. On this user centers page, we have some tabs which include profile, security, preferences, and notifications. And then this at this stage, just move to preferences. And then on the preferences page, you can see a list of options too, which includes language, currency, stablecoin preference, appearance, charts, colors, etc. Just go ahead and click on currency since that is what we are trying to change. And then after clicking on currency, you will take it to the currencies page where you would see a list of currencies. So just go ahead and select the one that you would want to change it to. For me, I want to leave it as USD, but for you, you can change it to whatever currency of your choice, and then you're good to go. That is it. This is how you can change currency on OKX. Very, very simple, quick, and easy. Thanks for watching.